My name is Sukraj Singh. I'm the upper secondary advanced math teacher here at the European School in Copenhagen, and I teach many subjects, also not just in maths but also the ICT, and I also lead some other extracurricular activities such as the Guillemot, the MUN, and also the Astronomy Club. The standard maths is a continuation of the maths that a lot of the students have been studying before in the lower secondary to prepare them and advance their maths or their knowledge of what they've been learning before. With the advanced maths in the upper secondary, a lot of the focus is to prepare the students for university, whether they want to study the maths or the sciences or economics and so on, that could really prepare them for further education.
So we're taking Maths 6, which is the advanced level, so we have more hours of maths a week, and I think it's very beneficial to take Maths 6 at an advanced level because we cover more content during a short amount of time.
Yeah, it's also very interesting and we get to work on a lot of different things. Our teacher also introduces us to competitions such as the George Moore competition, I hope I pronounced that right, which is very fun.
And we did that 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And we got the results the next day, and most of us came through to the next round, which was very nice.
In advanced maths for the upper secondary, we look at a lot of topics that explore much more than what we've done before with the lower secondary. So for example, in the lower secondary, we might be focusing on triangles and geometry, but in the upper secondary, we will move on to more advanced subjects like the unit circle, trigonometry, and complex plane. This is a lot of the prior material that you would do to be prepared for university, to study maths or any of the sciences. So in particular, with mathematics, we look at both the theory and the practical side of things. So not only are we teaching, say, for example, the equations and, for example, more of the geometry side of maths or the algebra or more abstract maths, but then we also kind of focus with a lot of the applications and modeling. So say, for example, we're teaching trigonometry, we'll be looking at a lot of sinusoidal models that could help with modeling wave functions. And then also at the same time, if we're looking at exponential equations and logarithms, then we'll be looking at, for example, studies on coronavirus and how they're studying and how they're spreading exponentially and so on. So we always try to connect the abstract with the real world applications, which is something that we divide our lessons in quite particularly. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I really look forward to maybe teaching you next year and the following years for S5, S6 and S7 in the upper secondary maths, and looking forward to supporting you in your journey in education and preparing you for the future. Thank you.